Have you noticed that in today's modern age, we're getting more and more devices, and with each new device, we get a new remote or a keypad, but all of these devices don't seem to work together? Wouldn't it be so much nicer if we could have just one device that would connect all of these consolidated into one application? Well, that's just what I did with Internet of Things Actions. This is a single phone app that consolidated all of my remotes and my security system keypad into a single app on my phone and a smartwatch app right here. Originally, there was no built-in way of controlling my TV or my home security system using just my watch. However, I realized that there was a smart TV app and a home security system app on my phone. So if I can control my phone using my watch, then I can control my TV and security system using my watch. To do this, I used Tasker. Tasker is a programming language for Android smartphones, which allowed me to create the programs necessary in order to turn on or off my home security system and control my TV. As you can see, there are many different programs, and each one of these programs has a series of commands which would emulate all the taps that I would normally go through in order to, say, open up the Fire TV app and control my TV, or to open up the Home Security System app and to turn it on or off. Now I'm going to showcase my app in action. In order to start my app, it's as simple as tapping Internet of Things Actions. And then you'll see that it's divided into different categories. There's the watch actions on the left and the phone actions on the right. Each of these is then subdivided into active actions in bright yellow and the background actions in dull yellow. The background actions are done automatically in the background without the user having to interact with their device at all. For example, the phone will automatically go into vibrate mode while at school, or it'll automatically go into priority mode at night so that the user doesn't get disruptive notifications at school or at night. Then there's the background actions on my watch. For example, the watch will always be ready to start the Actions app, and it'll always be listening for voice commands so that I can start one of the programs. Another way to start the program would be from here on my Android Wear options, and then I can start the app to control my TV or start the app to choose one of the programs. From my phone, I can also start one of the programs by selecting phone options right here. And right here is a list of all the programs that I have created and a button to start that program. The most convenient way by far though is by starting the smartwatch app that I created. Here, as you can see, when I tap action, then all the buttons right here on my watch show up. Each one of these buttons is mapped to a different program on my phone, and my phone will go through that program automatically. For example, if I tap the button to turn on my house alarm, then it'll either turn on or off my home alarm. My phone right here is going through all the actions that I would normally go through in order to turn on or off my home security system. But the best part about it is that I don't need to touch it at all. My phone is doing it all on my own. And there it is. My home security system just turned off. This is absolutely incredible because I could be in a different room and my phone would still go through all the taps that I would have to go through. I don't even have to pull my phone out of my pocket, and it does it automatically for me. Now I'm going to demonstrate me controlling my TV without ever needing to touch any of these remotes up here. And as you can see, there's a lot of them. All I need is a smartphone and a smartwatch. Here's how it works. On my smartwatch, all I need to do is open up the TV show app. Then an options list shows up. From here, I can pick which TV I want to control. In this case, I'm going to choose the family room TV. Now pay attention to my phone once I tap this, because as you can see, my phone is now going through all the taps that I would normally go through in order to control my TV. This is just like the home security system app that I created, so that it would go through all the taps that I would normally be going through in order to control the TV. Now it'll automatically send the remote app to my watch up here. As you can see, now I can press up, down, left, right, and select. Now pay attention to my phone up there, because when I press select, you can see whatever button I pressed on the remote. I press select and a white dot shows up. I press down and a little down swipe animation shows up on my phone. And it's controlling my TV. I can press right, left, I can press down again, up, and I can even turn off my TV without ever needing to touch any of those remotes. All I need to do is open up the TV menu by pressing and holding select, then right, and there's the option to go to sleep. I can also turn off my phone by removing the remote app, and there it is. It's both turned off my TV and my phone so that I don't ever need to touch my phone or the remotes. The best thing about this, by far, was when I submitted the app to the Congressional App Challenge back in 2015 for California District 25. I got recognized by Congressman Steve Knight back in 2015. I won the flag of the United States of America flown over the Capitol on July 4th, 2015, right there. And I got the front page of the newspaper, the Antelope Valley Press, on March 4th, 2016, for my app, as you can see right there. After I created my own app, I realized just how limitless technology is. There is truly nothing we can't do with technology. I was only a 14-year-old boy when I created this app, and before me, there was no built-in way of controlling a home security system or a TV using just my watch. I was the first to create that. I was pushing my own boundaries of technology forward. And what's absolutely incredible is how it speaks volumes about the rest of the industry. We can keep pushing technology forward. The only way is up. We can keep creating bigger and better and newer advanced technologies. I want to be a part of all this technological revolution. I want to keep programming. I want to keep being a part of this. It's absolutely incredible what we can do with technology.